Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. I've been getting people asking me, I've been talking to actually about six new, potentially new consultants today, and everybody pretty much just asks the same thing. People just kind of ask me, well, how do you sell? And can I sell too? Because I don't want to sign up for a company and not be able to sell anything. Like, what's the point? Which is totally understandable. But the first thing that I do say is don't sign up for a company that you don't want the products yourselves. And I say that because if you don't want the products yourself, then how can you advertise how amazing the products are? Like, I sell by simply, I had ordered some pumpkin spice. I ordered a pumpkin spice latte, the pumpkin spice cheesecake. I ordered the gingerbread spice, the pumpkin spice. I had ordered some cookware. Like, I did order a lot of stuff for myself. And I got my package from Epicure last week, or sorry, 2 weeks ago, and I just took a picture. I had opened up the package. It like looked awesome with all of my stuff in there. I took a picture. I posted that and just said, "Yay, my Epicure order has come in. I'm so excited to make a new pumpkin cheesecake." And I got a lot of messages from people saying, "Oh my God, where did you buy that? I need that." So I will just talk to them about Epicure, saying, "Yeah, I bought this from Epicure. This is the website I had looked at. Feel free to have a look. I do sell Epicure, so if you want something, let me know. I am happy to help. You can either order it right there from the website, it gets shipped to you, or send me your order, and then I can order it for you through my back office." That's how I get people interested, because you do need to sell $250 every 3 months of products to remain active. So the best thing to do is to host a party. Have your neighbors, friends, family also host a party. Host a party with your coworkers. It doesn't have to be an at-home party, although you will sell more doing those, but I just personally don't have time. So I just sell all online. For my coworkers, I will give them the link and say, "Hey guys, check this out. Here's the Epicure website. Here's some catalogs. I'll be doing a draw at the end of the month for everybody who did order, and you can actually get a chance to win free products from the party that was hosted." Because every party that you host, if it's a qualifying party, so if it's a party that sells $250, then the host gets free products. So depending on how much you purchase, it could be $25 in free products, it could be $75, plus always one half off item. It could be two half off items, it could be three, depending on how much is sold. So if I'm hosting the party, as a little incentive, I like to tell people, well, whoever orders this month, I will be drawing a name. So instead of me getting all of those free products for being the host, that one person whose name came out of the hat will be getting all of those free products. So that really helps me, because you've heard me say this before, right? But we all have to eat, we all cook, we all want to eat healthy. We might not always eat the healthiest, but we want to, right? So Epicure is just so easy. So people often ask me what I do to sell and how I remain active. I've been doing it for about a year now, and that's truthfully what I do. I made a Facebook group right away. I post now maybe once a day, maybe 4 times a week sometimes, either sharing recipes, posting about my Epicure order that came in, posting about the host who just won like $300 worth of free products, posting about like Halloween ideas, like Halloween baking ideas, Christmas baking ideas, depending on the season. And that's just, people love to look at those things anyway. They might see a post that I do on an amazing pumpkin cheesecake, and then they go, "Oh my God, I need to make this pumpkin cheesecake." How? I lead them towards the Epicure products. They order Epicure, they're happy, I'm happy, they're healthier for ordering Epicure, opposed to like a no-name brand with tons of like sugar, salt, and all that stuff, right? So it's a win-win for everybody. So that's honestly what I do, and I love it. I want to get into the fundraising actually a little bit more because Epicure does offer amazing packages with that. So that is something that I would like to look into. And Epicure USA is coming in the new year, so I'm so excited for that because I know a lot of people in the US who want to sell Epicure too. So I am super excited about that. So yeah, you guys, that's what I do. So it doesn't have to be hard, but you have to have fun with it and you have to like the products yourselves. So if you need anything or have questions, let me know and I'll see you guys. Oh, sorry, allergies. I will see you guys in the next one.